spooky. I don't know where I will sleep tonight. I want to capture the experience as a solo driver. Yeah. It's pretty cool. It's unnecessary, to be frank. They have built a masjid, washrooms, and also a park in the middle of this mountain. That's great. It's a huge mountain. Cannot fathom how huge this is. I've never been in such a road before. We are near to the end of this mountain road. Now, still, we have some more 18 more kilometers to go. Let's go! Finally, we have a glimpse of the sun. I don't miss the sun, to be honest. Someone overtaking me, you can go. You have to remind yourself that it's a downhill and it's prohibited to overtake here. It was very loud. Oh, there's another one. Okay, I'm waiting to reach that place. It's already 5 o'clock in the evening and the sunset pretty early these days. So hope I can visit all the places. Let's see. Okay, it says I'm lost. I was wondering why I'm not getting there. Oh my god, I should take a U-turn somewhere. Come on, I was thinking to myself why I'm not getting there. Guess I have to go back 33 kilometers. What? Let's go. I think the sun has already set. The best thing to do right now is to find a place to sleep. Okay, and finally we have entered the road to Rijal Alma. And we lost a lot of time as well. That's okay. Where should I park or where should I go? Oh, so this is the place. Okay, that's nice. Where will I park? So, yeah, this is the place. They built this hundreds of years ago using small chips of rocks. That's cool. But this is what this place basically is. I think I will have to stay here for the night, but I don't know where. I hope we'll find a place or a cheap hotel or something. So this is it. This is Rijal Alma. It's cool. It would have been really cool if we could explore it more to the top, but they told me there is some construction or something. It's closed for 1 week. Oh, that's pretty. We can enjoy it from here, I guess. These couples, yeah, they have arrived like me and they asked me if it's open and they are kind of disappointed like me. From what I just searched, It says that this village it's built entirely on stone, clay and wood. Ain't that pretty cool? It's stone and this must be clay. There's some wood as well. And this village is 900 years old. Ain't that crazy? 900 years old and it's still standing like this. That's actually pretty cool. And it's in the middle of these mountains. There's some more. This masjid, it's also built with that same rock. They have renovated the interior so it looks modern. It's closed. We'll see tomorrow. So what should I do now? I don't know what to do. I'll check for a hostel to stay for the night. I just talked to a guy right now. He told me you can find a hostel, a cheap hostel for the night, but it's not here. I have to drive 15 minutes, but that's okay. I think that's a restaurant. Let's go and check this. I ordered. I forgot what I was saying. This place is spooky. It's pretty cool. This is where we eat. Yeah, my food's here. There's a lot of food because it's actually a portion of 2 people. I'll eat some and take away the rest with me. So I'm very hungry. An actual meal, I haven't ate anything. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, I just talked to a guy and he told me it's better not to sleep in the car in this place. I think it's not that safe. I'll go to my car and I will drive a bit through this road. He told me that there is a small town and after that there will be a place that I can rent.
Where, man?
ما في مشكلة. بطيل.
Batila.
Batila, okay. Assalamu alaikum. There are no hotels here. There is one. It's very expensive, so I don't want to stay there. I don't know where I will sleep tonight. I can sleep here, but one guy, he told me that it won't be that safe. I don't know what to do. We can go to the next city. Not city. There's a small town. If I can stop here, it will be nice. Okay, I will ask someone. I'm at the same place. I'm not far away or anything. This looks kind of safe. If I have some space on the other side of that truck, I think I can park there and sleep. I'll go and ask these people. का रूम है? So मेरा गाड़ी
मुश्किल नहीं उधर ही
उधर पार्किंग मुश्किल नहीं? Thank you. छोटा YouTuber है. So I parked my car here, right? And after that I went to the masjid and prayed and I talked to a couple of people. It didn't really help. And then I saw another guy. He's from Bangladesh. He was a nice guy and he told me I can sleep there. He lives in that building. He's been living in this same village for the past 5 years. He told me that the people here are very nice and that I don't have to worry about anything. If there is any problem, just come and call me. Here is my room. That's what he told me. I'm really glad right now. We can take a small walk, right? I'll sit somewhere. I have a lot of time though. I'll enjoy for a while. After that, I'll go back to my car. I sat there for some time. I will end this video here. We will wake up early in the morning, I hope, and get ready. I hope it will be a good day tomorrow. I'm standing here alone, thousands of kilometers away from my family, without a job and the mind that has no restriction in overthinking. That's something I'm very rich in, overthinking. And I'll see you in the next one.